At Aggressive Hydraulics, we're built to tackle the toughest manufacturing challenges, like producing hydraulic cylinders from stainless steel. Stainless steel is often selected for extreme environments, applications where long-term durability in corrosive conditions is critical. But stainless steel brings its own set of challenges, starting with cylinder design. Careful engineering consideration is required regarding yield and tensile strength and galvanic corrosion, as well as specifying the optimal grade of stainless steel for the application. Machining stainless steel isn't easy. It's harder on tooling, generates more heat, and requires precise speeds and feeds to maintain proper tolerances and minimize distortion. And when it comes to welding, stainless demands experience. Wire selection, heat control, and proper weld processes are critical to achieve strong, reliable welds without compromising corrosion resistance. At Aggressive Hydraulics, we don't shy away from tough materials. Our experienced team, purpose-built processes, and rigorous attention to detail ensure your stainless steel cylinders meet the highest standards, built for the world's most demanding applications.